Can I recover deleted WhatsApp messages after unblocking?
Hello and welcome to today's discussion on recovering deleted WhatsApp messages after unblocking. WhatsApp is widely used for communication, and sometimes, messages can be deleted accidentally or deliberately. In this guide, we'll delve into whether it's possible to retrieve these lost messages and how to do it.
Can you retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages after unblocking?
The simple answer is, it depends. You cannot retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages that were lost before you unblocked a contact if you didn't have a backup. This is because WhatsApp doesn't store messages on their servers once they are delivered to the recipient. However, if you regularly back up your WhatsApp messages, there's a good chance you can restore them.
How to retrieve WhatsApp messages from a backup?
WhatsApp has an inbuilt feature that allows it to back up chats to your cloud storage service, Google Drive for Android, iCloud for iOS. You can retrieve messages from these backups. 1. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device. 2. Reinstall WhatsApp and sign in with your account. 3. During the setup process, you'll see a prompt to restore messages and media from your cloud backup. Choose this option. Remember, you'll only retrieve the messages up to the point when the last backup was made.
What if I didn't back up my WhatsApp messages?
If you didn't set up automatic backups or manually back up your chats, unfortunately, there's no official way to retrieve deleted WhatsApp messages. WhatsApp doesn't keep the chat history on their servers, making recovery impossible without a pre-existing backup.
Tips for preventing future loss of messages.
To avoid losing important messages in the future, ensure that you set up automatic backups in your WhatsApp settings. Here's how. 1. Go to WhatsApp settings. 2. Click on Chats. 3. Select Chat Backup. 4. Choose the frequency of your backup to Google Drive or iCloud. That wraps up our discussion on recovering deleted WhatsApp messages after unblocking. Remember, regular backups are your friend for preventing future message loss. We hope this guide was helpful and clarified how WhatsApp's backup and retrieval system works. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to back up those important chats.